Linking your bank account to OVHcloud is an important step for managing payments and services. Follow these steps to successfully connect your bank account. Step 1. Log into your OVHcloud account. Visit the OVHcloud website and log into your account using your credentials. Make sure you have access to the account you want to link your bank to. Step 2. Navigate to Billing section. Once logged in, go to the Billing section of your account dashboard. This area contains all payment-related settings and options for managing your financial information. Step 3. Select payment methods. Secure your accounts before moving on. People seriously underestimate how often personal information gets exposed online now. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and get notified immediately if your data gets leaked somewhere. It runs in the background, constantly scanning billions of breach records. And honestly, for how cheap it is compared to the value you get, it's worth it. Link in the description. Step 4. Add bank account information. Choose the option to add a new payment method. Select bank account and enter the required information, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Ensure that all details are accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. Once you've completed these steps, your bank account should be successfully linked to your OVHcloud account. This will allow for seamless transactions and management of your services.